Heliconian butterflies, genus Heliconius. Sideways wings are longer, so popularly also named as long wings butterflies, with dark colored upper surface and orange colored or white colored or light purplish patches on the forewings and arrow shaped marks on the hind wings. These Heliconian butterflies or long wings have evolved during the evolution with the association of this cucurbitaceae flowering creeper of the genus Siguria. Here are Siguria umbellata and other Siguria species, and these Heliconian long wings have evolved mimicry. So for studying Batesian mimicry as well as Mullerian mimicry, long wings Heliconius butterflies are specially used as model organisms, and you can see the beauty of long wings who are flying at this moment over the creeper. Siguria. This is the Heliconius butterfly in love with Siguria blossoms in Nature Museum, Northport Nature Museum, Butterfly Heaven House, and all these leaves which you are seeing right now, these are the flowers of Siguria umbrosa, and on this Heliconius butterflies are in special association, and these are the orange colored flowers of Siguria umbrosa. This creeper is unique to South America and grown inside the butterfly gardens everywhere in America. These butterflies are long wing butterflies, are quite fascinating butterflies, and they are easy to study, easy to breed, and these are also. But on this leaf of Siguria, we also find blue morph. Just before me on this foliage, you see the upper surface is blue colored and lower surface is dark colored with ocelli. So this is in the genus Morpho, and Morpho stands for change, morphogenesis, change. This is larger winged butterfly in the butterfly house, presently resting on the leaves of Siguria umbrosa, which is basically associated with long wing butterflies or Heliconius butterflies, but that doesn't mean other butterflies are not in love with Siguria creeper. And this is Morpho butterfly, and which if it opens wings, then you can see the upper purple blue color. And the same butterfly is now on these fruit tray kept before this blue Morpho, and you can count the number of ocelli also, 3 on one side, 3 on other side, and one bigger one in the middle. So there are 7 ocelli with light colored bands along the margins. Upper surface is more beautiful, and there are rather 2 Morpho butterflies on these fruits, which is blueberry and some other fruits, cut fruits kept here for attracting butterflies. But special long wing butterflies have association with this Siguria creeper, and this is must, and that is postman butterfly, another species of heliconius butterfly. You say, and popularly it's called as postman butterfly because of postman's shoulder stripes on the uniform. And there is butterflies have other flowers also. For example, this is another firecracker plant, and this is Odontonema structum or structa, and this is love vine, Antigonum laptopus, and you can see the blue cape leadbird. This is Plumbago capensis. This is also used in the butterfly gardens, but most important is Hemilia petens. Hemilia petens and flowers I have seen earlier in Jammu also, but here I could see the berries which look like jamun fruits. This is unique fruiting of Hemilia petens in the Rhodiosae family, and these blossoms are also visited by various butterflies like heliconian butterflies, and also you can see all these are various types of long wing butterflies, heliconius, and even some heliconius sitting on the Siguria umbrosa creeper. So this is hub. On one side you will have the flowers of Hemilia petens, and other side orange colored flowers of this Siguria umbrosa, and here you have the Odontonema stricta, and here is Plumbago capensis, and this is the hub of heliconian butterflies, popularly named as long wings. And today you can see the different creepers here also. Impatience, and now new butterflies are being left. These are blue Marco butterflies. They have been just reared, and now they have released. This is the blue Marco butterflies. They are usually
admire the butterflies, ask me questions, and once you're ready to leave, you can look at the chrysalis through the window of our butterfly.
This is another butterfly attracting creeper, which is called Pseudogynoxis chenopodioides. Pseudogynoxis chenopodioides is the creeper which is one of the very important for the heliconian butterflies. This is postman butterfly, Heliconia species, and the flower composite head color and its wings color is matching, perfectly matching. And this creeper is also attracting many heliconius butterflies. You will always find some butterflies resting either on its leaves. Here you will see one heliconius butterfly sitting on the leaves. Other one is on flowers. That one is on flowers. This is postman or heliconius butterfly. This is another long way. And here are also some orchids. This is very fascinating orchid before me. And on its blossoms also you will find some butterflies. One is resting, but this is only, you can see the sideways. It is not showing its upper wing surface color right now, but this is sitting on this orchid. And now another butterfly had also come, but it left. There are many other different forms of orchids, and this orchid seems to be Catalia, I think, if not Paphiopedilum. And this is included in the butterfly house. And here you have the Ixora blossoms. Ixoras are also used to preserve the butterfly gardens, and not only Ixora but even Lantana. This butterfly since long resting on the leaves, not showing the upper surface. I tried to get a glimpse of its upper surface. And Heliconius butterflies are in plenty, popularly called as longlegs. They are on this Pseudogynoxus chenopodiides blossoms, popularly called as orange Mexican senecio, but now in another genus, Pseudogynoxus chenopodiides. You can have a view of this butterfly garden where they have put even bromeliads, orchids, Pseudogynoxus chenopodiides, ripper, orchids, flower and butterfly love, and even colocasia. And this is blue morpho, which I just went nearby. It flew. And these butterflies, this is blue morpho. Blue morpho butterfly going here and here. This is another tray where there is a blue morpho and some other butterfly on the rotten fruits kept here. This is impatiens valeriana, and another bush which is very important for butterfly gardens is Arachnothrix. Arachnothrix leucophylla. Botanically, this bush is identified. No flowering season is over. Only few flowers I could see on this Arachnothrix leucophylla, popularly named as Panama rose, rose-colored blossoms. And this is Duranta, and this is another species of Saiguria, which has red flowers. Now it is a fruiting striped fruits, Cucurbitaceae family, Saiguria, but I think these flowers are red and it is not amberosa. Moreover, leaves are born in trifoliate. Leaves are trifoliate. Blue morpho. This is another butterfly attracting flowering plant, Stachytarbata gemaicensis. And on this you can see the long-winged butterflies. This is Jatropha integrifolia, and on its blossoms you see this beautiful butterfly. Right now it has having black and white beautiful pattern of its wings, and this is enjoying the association of pink red flowers of Jatropha integrifolia from the Euphorbiaceae family. And this particular butterfly is flying, and now it has come to another flower cluster of the same bush, Lal Ratanjor, Jatropha integrifolia. And you can see various different colored impatiens species flowers, impatiens valeriana. Behind you will see the dressing, and these butterflies need these plants either as larval host plants or nectar plants. And this particular butterfly, earlier also I had a glimpse of this, but now it is opening its wings. This is looking elegant, and before me you see the bush of Jatropha integrifolia, and this is another plant behind. This is Cordia sebastina, rose-colored blossoms. This is also included in the butterfly house. And Pseudogynoxis, Chenopodiides flowers, Exora flowers, Antigona leptopus flowers, and some more butterflies, Haliconiums, and another orchid flower also blooming here beside this water flowing channel. And you see the lantana behind impressions, Pseudogynoxis, Chenopodiides, and Haliconian butterflies. This is Algeria, this is Dracena, fragrance, and here you will see the pentas. Even on pentas we have the long-winged butterfly, Pentas lanceolata, white flowering pentas. This is also useful for butterflies, so this plant is also included. This is another form of Pentas lanceolata, and this is Haliconian butterfly sitting on the foliage of Antigona leptopus, popularly called as postman butterfly, sitting on the foliage of love vine or Honolulu creeper, another long-winged butterfly on Antigona leptopus, love vine or chain of love. But the special association with Saiguria amorosa plant creeper is unique for the Haliconian butterflies, and they have special preference for the leaves and flowers of this cucurbitaceous creeper, having Lupha cylindrica like leaves, Lupha gyptiaca like foliage, palmately lobe, and if you don't focus on flowers, you will confuse it with Lupha species. In the foliage you can see the larger sized owl butterfly. So this butterfly is owl butterfly, which is not to be confused with the blue marco. Its upper color will be dull brown, and it has very shining special eye like owl's eyes. So this is also taking rest in the leaves of Saiguria ambrosa right now, but not to be confused with blue marco, but size looks to be bigger than blue marco. And blue marco butterfly is this one, which is simply feeding on the fruits and not opening its wings. But so many butterflies, you see, all these are Haliconian butterflies in special association with Saiguria ambrosa flowers, orange colored flowers, and tendrils. Having tendrils is a character of cucurbitaceae family, to which our gourd and bitter gourd belongs, cucumber belongs. And these are the beautiful flowers of Odontonema stricta, another butterfly attracting flower native to South America. And blue marco, now you can see it has joyful flying along with Haliconian butterflies. So one particular large sized this blue morpho is also, which has been released just 10-15 minutes before. So this blue morpho is one of the most beautiful butterfly in any butterfly garden. And these smaller long wings are heliconium butterflies, though much smaller in size, but they are also very fascinating butterflies in the gardens. This is Petria volubilis, but no flowers right now. Sandpaper vine. This is also included in the butterfly house. All this is indoor. Even hibiscus, you can see hibiscus bush is also there. Even calencho flowers I am able to see here. There are some adiantum ferns also added, and even on adiantum you will find this heliconium butterfly, long bent, postman butterfly. They are also joyful even in the greenery of ferns. And on the same fern adiantum you see this blue morpho also taking shelter. Upper surface is blue, so it is named as blue morpho, not to be confused with owl butterfly. Owl butterfly is bigger, and another butterfly, heliconium butterfly, postman butterfly, this is sitting on the foliage of Duranta erecta. And these are the bushes of Arachnothorax, the Popila, popularly named as Panama rose. Another heliconium butterfly in love with flowers of Pentagonum laptopus. Another heliconium butterfly on the flowers of Pentagonum laptopus. So this Pentagonum laptopus or Honolulu creeper has also another creeper, Saiguria umbrosa, and both creepers are attracting butterflies, the heliconiums, which have special preference for. This is blue mark in front of Odontolima specta. This butterfly is just blue marble butterfly, you are able to see. Flower sized, beautiful color on upper surface, but dull colored under surface. These blue marble butterflies were released today at 2 p.m. in Northbird Nature Museum, Butterfly Heaven House by the experts. Odontolima stricta is from Acanthus and quite elegant bush as decorative plant in Chicago, but it is also cultivated in South India, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. But this Saiguria umbrosa creeper I have not seen in India anywhere. So this is unique to America. Many butterflies, heliconium butterflies, they are in love with this. Pseudogynopsis Chenopodiae. Orchid blossoms are also quite alluring to the butterflies, but the blossoms of Pseudogynoxis Chenopodiae is a rare treat for the butterflies. Apart from flowers of Stachytornata genuicensis, this particularly blue flowering herb also attracts butterflies. And Jatropha integrifolia, impulsions valeriana, and Plumbago capensis. This is another Siguria, Amazon cucumber. It has cucumber-like fruits and small flower, red flower. Even lantana impatiens.